June 8th, 8:42 a.m. 2024. Just received this from the FedEx guy dropping it off. The box is a little bit, not rough, just a little bit shoddy on the bottom edges there. So I'm gonna unbox this thing right now. Hope there's no damage. Not sure here. If I can just put it up now. Okay, I'm gonna set this camera up. ATS. There you go. Yeah, the keys. The generator is strapped down to this crate using these things here, so that's good. Let me pull an actual measurement off of this thing for anybody needing it. Alright, anybody should need this measurement. This came straight from Generac via FedEx through Sam's Club today. 33 1/4 inch from the bottom of the actual pallet. 33 1/16 inch tall sitting on this pallet. 33 1/16 actually. This side here. Now we go back to my first measurement. Sorry, 33 1/4. There's a little bit of rise right here on a contour. 33 1/4 inches. Pallet is 26 3/4 inch wide and 3/4. And without these little lockdown cleats, 49 1/4 inches. With the little tie down cleats, 50 inches. Just under here is 50 inches. And 26 3/4 inches with the cleats this way. Hopefully that'll help somebody else trying to plan for storage of this thing. So yeah, this is from Sam's Club. It was on sale. FedEx delivered it right up here to the driveway. And then you can check my YouTube channel. The video right before this one on my channel will be the one of building this little Harbor Freight Tools skateboard cart out of a few of the Harbor Freight Tools floor dollies, 1,000-pound dollies.